If you're looking to build credibility with new visitors on your website, then using Proof is one of the best strategies you can implement. In this quick guide, we're diving into how to use Proof to build credibility quickly and effectively, ensuring new visitors trust you right away. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share how you can use this tool for free with some exclusive bonuses. The first thing to understand is that Proof helps you leverage social proof, creating a sense of trust and urgency that immediately catches the eye of new visitors. This is powerful because people are more likely to trust what others have trusted before. When visitors see that other people have taken action, whether that's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or scheduling a demo, they are far more likely to engage themselves. One key feature of Proof is its ability to show live activity on your website. This includes things like showing recent purchases or signups. For example, if someone just purchased a product on your site or signed up for a free trial, Proof can display this to other visitors. This not only builds credibility, but also adds a sense of urgency. When visitors see that others are actively engaging with your site, they feel more compelled to do the same. Another amazing way to use Proof is with its social proof notifications. You can set up notifications that show how many people have already viewed your product, subscribed to your service, or engaged with your content. This helps reassure visitors that they're making the right decision by engaging with your site simply because others are already doing it. Proof also makes it easy to display customer testimonials and reviews. By showcasing these in real time, you reinforce the quality of your product or service, showing visitors that real people are already benefiting from it. It's a great way to build trust without having to do much. Plus, having real-world testimonials on display adds authenticity, which is key in convincing skeptical visitors to take action. If you're trying to convert visitors into leads or sales, using Proof's personalization features can make a huge impact. Proof allows you to customize the messages that visitors see based on their behavior. For example, if a visitor has already been browsing your website for a few minutes, you can show them a notification with a special offer, or if they visited specific pages, you can tailor the Proof notifications to what's most relevant to them. This level of customization helps increase conversion rates by meeting visitors exactly where they are in their journey. Now, here's something really exciting. You can use Proof for free with our exclusive bonuses. The first link in the description gives you access to a free trial that's longer than what's typically available, allowing you to explore the software and see how it can transform your credibility building efforts. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how Proof can help build credibility with new visitors by showcasing social proof, leveraging testimonials, and creating a sense of urgency. If you're ready to dive in, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial linked below. Trust me, once you start using Proof, you'll notice a real difference in your website's engagement and trust levels.